How's it going, everybody? Jason here from RealtorVision.com, and I'm really excited today. If I haven't talked to you, by the way, Happy New Year. It's January 15th. There is approximately 16 days left until we officially push everyone to the new layout. So I'm making this video today to show everybody. Most of you already know that we recently made some very significant changes to the Fusion Virtual Tour property website and photo delivery system. Those changes have made it so that we've gone to a project-based system, and as many of you know, that is getting us ready for photo delivery, job scheduling, payment collection that's right around the corner. The system also made a major upgrade from up to PHP 7. So these are all very big steps that get us towards that goal. The next big step is going to be to move everyone to the new layout. That is going to happen on February 1st. So I thought I'd make a video today and just get everybody ready. I'm emailing this out to everyone in the network. And also, I wanted to take the time just to put our significant updates for those of you that really haven't looked at the new theme, maybe haven't switched over yet. Josh made a great video. He went through, made some good bullet points of all the neat things and time savers that we've put into the new system, the new layout that really get you prepared for that launch. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the view so we can kind of take a look here at the new layout. Those of you that haven't switched over, I really encourage you to do so right away. It's easy to use, it's simplified, and really the whole system's great. It's down here at the bottom. If you log in, you can click on switch over, and this toggle at the bottom switches you from one to the next. You can go back and forth. You're going to be able to do that for the next 16 days, but I firmly believe you will not want to. Once you go, I don't think you're gonna wanna go back because it's gonna save you a lot of time. It's easier to use, and it's just overall much smoother. The whole build process is much smoother. The thing that I wanted to make note of today is if you wanted to switch over, you could watch the quick start guide. Josh did a great job. He's been diligent about getting all of the getting started videos done. Watch the quick start in the getting started section of help. If you need some help, we've got new live chat back here that you can hit up. And yeah, so watch this getting started if you need some help, but everything is project based. It's real easy to use. A lot of stuff that I'm gonna have Josh show you how to take advantage of that will get you started. So thank you very much for watching this. We wanted to get this out to everyone today, hence the video and the email. So get ready, a lot of great things coming. I appreciate your support from all of us at RTV. Thank you, and take it away, Josh.
All right, in this video we're going to go over some of the main new features in our new system, which if you haven't checked it out yet, you can do so easily. If you log into your manager, you're still seeing the old style, just scroll down bottom of the page and click this, try new Fusion Beta theme, and it will switch you over. Now you are in the new system. You'll see it looks quite a bit different. If you scroll down, you'll also see you can switch back easily to the classic theme. You'll be able to do that until February 1st, and then everybody will be moved over by default into the new system. So the dashboard looks quite a bit different. You've got some news up here. Keep an eye on this area. You'll see, special announcements and stuff. So you'll want to keep an eye on that. Latest changes will come in here. You can also sign up for any of our live webinars. You've also got your credits, just like before. It shows you your current credits, and then you can click the plus sign to add credits. So just choose however many you want, and then go through the payment process. And here you've got your recent projects. You can see you now have all your agent info as well as the tour info here, which is really handy. So you can actually, if you want to shoot them a quick email, just click their email address. You can send them an email quickly and easily. You've also got some quick links here to view the property website, view the tour, and also view the links. So you can go right to the deliverables/links page for the property and send it out to your customers. And as you scroll down through the dashboard page, you'll see there's a bunch of other boxes here, expiring projects, announcements, which you can use to send out announcements to your photographers and customers, recent orders, pending payment orders, reminders, recent messages, etc. We've also got at the very bottom here the preferred vendors, These are, additional services, camera equipment, voiceovers, marketing site, and so on. So you can check these out if you're looking for any of these services. So quite a few changes just on the dashboard. There's been a lot of changes under the hood as well. We've moved from PHP 5 to PHP 7, and that's in order to get things ready to implement scheduling and payment, which should be coming out here very shortly. And that's what a lot of this stuff down here, you'll be able to, see orders from your clients and all of that stuff if you're going to be using the payment system. So to get ready for the new scheduling and payment system, we've also moved to a project-based system. So you'll see everything referred to as a project now. So projects can include the property website, the virtual tour, and you're also going to be able to just do photo delivery. If you don't want any of the website or tour, you can just do photo delivery to your customers. So moving along to some of the other bigger features, one of the big ones is a universal search bar, which is available throughout the system. Any page you're on, you can always search for anything up here. That can be agents, orders, different accounts, different projects. Just start typing, and it starts searching, and it's going to give you a tabbed list of results. So here's all the projects for this user. Here's all the orders for this user. And here's all the users. So we've only got one named John Zickert. And from here you can go into any of his projects. So once you get into a project, you'll notice quite a few other changes here. You've got your color-coded status over here. So green means this tour is active, and you can actually mouse over here to get the color codes. And you'll notice we've got throughout the system now a tabbed interface. We try to condense stuff as much as possible so there's less clicking around. So on this information page, you've got all the property information, and then EasyMLS is right here as well. And you'll notice the menu structure. We've moved the whole menu from the right side over to the left and condensed it down a little bit, tried to organize things a bit better. So it's the most used things more where you need them as you scroll through here. Then we've got additional services. These are things that cost extra that you can add on to a project. So we've also improved the project creation. So from any page you can mouse over here, mouse over projects, and then create new project. And now only a tour title is required to create a project. So you can leave all of the other info blank if you want, and then go back and fill it out later. Another big new feature is being able to create a user on the fly for a new tour. So if you don't have an existing user, if you've got a new customer you're doing a tour for, you can actually create the user right in the tour creation process. So give a email address, got all your info, click create, and it's going to create the project and the user simultaneously. Once you've created a project, it brings you to the Media Manager, which functionally is pretty similar. You still just select your content, drag and drop into the Media Manager, start rearranging your tour. You also notice some other changes though. This mini menu now is more condensed. Works the same way as before, it's just a little better laid out and condensed. So you just mouse over these options here. You can view the tour, view info, mark it complete, and you've got access to your various tools as well. Another big change you'll notice on the Media Manager page is this button up here. You can add external media quickly and easily right from the Media Manager page. So just give it a title. You've got a couple options here, whether you want it to pause or just stop the tour when the external media loads and for how long. And then paste your embed code or link. I'll just do a test YouTube video. Click save, and there it is. And another new feature with the external media is the ability to create a thumbnail. So instead of this just default camera, if you double click on it here and then click the thumbnail creator tab, you can actually upload a custom thumbnail now for external media. So I've just taken a quick snip of that video, and you can adjust the size and the position, and then click Save. And now the Media Manager will show, and it will show the thumbnail. So now you've got that thumbnail that you created for external media instead of that default camera icon. So those are some of the main new features of dealing with a project via Media Manager, and you'll see a lot of these areas are just a little more condensed and better laid out, so you can access things a little easier. And this new tabbed layout really helps a lot with that. So a couple other things to point out. If you go to the main projects page, you'll see everything's laid out here similar to how it is on the dashboard. You've got your agent info right below the tour. One big new thing though is bulk actions, so you can actually create or select multiple tours or projects at the same time, and then activate, deactivate, or do bulk deletes. So you can select multiple projects, delete all at once. You just choose what you want to do, apply, and that will take effect on all selected tours, which is very handy new feature. You've also got, these are now sortable, so you can sort by title, sort by date, expiration status, etc. The universal search here as well, it's always going to be up here, but it works the same way. So just start typing your search terms. You can let it search on its own, and then I'll give you the tabbed options here, or just hit enter, then it will filter your list. And if we move over to the users tab here, you'll notice you can mouse over and create new user right from here, or there's buttons here. And laid out a little differently, but functionality wise is pretty close to the same. You get over here and you can, log in as the user, click the up arrow to log back out, click edit. You'll notice they've got all of their main info, and you can also see they've got now their profile pic and company logo right on their main account page, which is helpful. And like before, then over on the left now you've got all of their defaults. So you can set these per agent or per user to set their defaults that'll apply then to all of their tours. And another new option that you have both with an agent and with your main settings is you can customize what shows on the dashboard. So when you're into an agent settings, dashboard controls, you can control what they will see on their dashboard when they log in. You can also customize what you see on your dashboard. If you click settings at the top here, go to dashboard controls, and then you can turn those boxes on and off. So if you don't use some of the other features, orders, reminders, that kind of stuff, you can actually turn those off and they won't show on your dashboard. So just click red to turn them off and then save, and then they won't be on your dashboard anymore. So there's really a lot here, a lot of changes. One more big one is if you go to the Help tab up at the top. Still got our knowledge base that we are working on updating to reflect all of the new changes. And another big new feature is live chat. So when you go to the help screen, click down here, start typing, and then somebody in support can chat with you in real time to answer questions. And you've also got throughout the system, you'll notice there's an orange question mark down in the right corner. If you click on that, you can register for a webinar, so somebody can help you through in a live webinar session. And this will take you to the help screen where you can do live chat, search our knowledge base, or you can create a support ticket right here. So that's a general overview of our new system. There's a lot of great changes, a lot of improvements to make workflow easier and make creating projects easier and less time consuming overall.